SM Seaside City, Cebu for the Plus63 Music and Arts Festival this year. And yes, today we're gonna go inside. And if you want to know what happened during LANY's performance here, watch this video. We're now on our way inside. That's the line. Finally, we're in, guys. Here are the girls. Let's go. So we're finally in, guys. And yes, we're in a VIP area. So we have a ledge here. We're VIP DI, so that's VIP area is near the front. It's the general admission, and the VVIP stays here at the ledge. So it's a bit we are elevated, but later I'm gonna go down, of course.
To entice the Phenom is out to ruin the party in style. Experience the powerhouse that is Lourdes!
Buwag balik.
Don't fall from the tree. I'll be confident to come and you make it on the back. Just go. I don't need nobody, not anybody. Stay with me. Do appreciate the gesture, but I'm absolutely better on my own. Someday would come sooner, and I'm so happy to be here. Thank you for having me. Speaking of someday, anybody here saving someday for someone?
Woo!
A whole lot of you guys.
Kristen!
Me too.
Who's saying someday for someone?
You know, things may not be working out right now, but maybe someday things will, and maybe we'll eventually end up together. Right?
Dream loud.
Puhon, may lawas, diba? This goes out to, this next song goes out to everyone saving someday for someone.
Woo!
Some daisies by the door with a note that says I don't love you anymore, or something nicer like I need some time and space. with you up? I don't think so. I don't think so. When you work, though it hurts, but I know that I'll even try. Too much time to be inside. Somebody help me say words. Too much time to be inside. Somebody help me get it worse. What do you do with a broken heart? Thank you so much. You're absolutely perfect tonight. I try to go out every time I leave the house. Every day I let go just a little bit more.
Alright, it's time to go home, guys. It's really an awesome concert. LANY, thank you. And yeah, we really had fun. Now the challenge is how to go home. Woo! So it's gonna race to the parking lot. And yes, truly enjoyed the concert. I like the venue, the Seaside concert area. It's nice. I mean, there's parking, there's food, and yeah, the acts were awesome, and of course, LANY, definitely one of the best. I mean, people really enjoy it, and I surely want them to be back. And thank you so much for watching, guys, and I hope to see you on our next event here in Cebu. And yes, you see me around, don't forget to say hi. Hi!